How am I though? To be honest, y'all, we're going to start with the skincare. Oh, you're getting ready with me? Girl, you ready? Well, we're not ready. We're getting ready right now, but let's get ready. We in here for 4 minutes. We in here whatever that was. Welcome. It's been a while, but we don't have much time, so we gotta get into it. You guys should already know how we move around here. Swift and steady, ready to go. Bars. Let me do this quick for real before my skin and my hair starts to dry out. We're going to start with the skincare. Oh, you're getting ready with me? Girl, you ready? Well, we're not ready. We're getting ready right now, but let's get ready. Energy, energy, energy. This is me trying to put myself into the mood to talk. Y'all don't be talking. So this is the niacinamide brightening toner. One of you did ask about my skincare routine. Watch the previous vlogs. I've been sharing a lot of skincare products and you guys have been seeing that my skin is getting a lot better. We just have the dark marks, but you guys know I used to have a lot of craters on my face and a lot of cystic acne, and I'm not breaking out as much anymore. I do get bumps here and there because of my period time of the month, hormonal acne, but you know what I think it is? I've been getting a lot more rest. I am stressed most days, but I'm not as stressed as I used to be, but a lot more rest, and that just shows me how important rest is. So if you've not been getting any rest, girl, come on, close these eyes and take a nap. Even if it's just 15-20 minutes, take a nap, slow down a little bit. We love that, we really do. I'm out of some of my usual skincare products, which helped me to get my skin under control. I should have done, or it's coming, I'm going to do a product empties. I'll talk more about the products in that video, but yes, this is the Good Molecules niacinamide brightening toner, and I feel like this is really working for my skin. It's doing what it's supposed to do, giving my skin that glow, or helping with the glow. And next I'm going to be using the discoloration correcting serum, and I've always had these products. It's just that I believe in treating the acne first, then the dark marks and texture, but you can treat acne and texture. I'm happy that the skin is getting better. How am I though? To be honest, y'all, some days are a lot better than some, but what I've been telling people is that I'm here. I have no choice but to be here, but I'm here, and I'm just trying to make the best out of being here, no matter how I feel. You know, we all have ups and downs. We go through different things. Sometimes it gets so heavy and you just have to park up and take a break and just stop figure out how you're going to continue moving forward, because obviously something isn't working, because it's not adding to your happiness. You know, I've been having a lot of those moments. I'm growing emotionally, mentally, physically, everything. I don't know if that's the 30s for you, let me know, but I'm okay. I've had better days and I've had worse days, but we're going to make it, you know. I know you guys see the elephant in the room. Let's move on to the next skincare product. So I used my toner, serum, and we're going to end that off with moisturizer. I don't be using all 10, 20, 30 products. I know exactly what I'm using each product for. They're helping my skin in specific ways, so it doesn't make sense to buy multiple products that all do the same thing, but that's another topic. Hold on, this is the moisturizer you guys should know. If you don't know, give me a second. It's the Watch and See Clearing Gel Moisturizer. Love. It's almost done. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am definitely going to stock up on this. This is one of the best moisturizers that I've used on my skin. This and its cousin from the same brand, the Watch and See Deep Nourish Moisturizer. I think I've been telling you guys about this constantly though, about these. So I'm gonna need y'all to pay attention. I just watched the videos. There's gems in every video. We're not only talking about hair anymore, okay? We're not. I would just go on top of this with a sunscreen, and my sunscreen is almost done, y'all. It's by Supergoop. It's their Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. My skin needs to dry a little bit though, and then we're going to move on to the hair. You guys saw I just washed, shampooed, and conditioned. That's all I did. And I'm going to go to one of my favorite routines that I've been loving. My skin looks a lot brighter and clearer. Let me know what you think. Does my skin look different? Has my skin been looking different? Have I been looking different? Of course, yeah. I have the worst brain fogs. I haven't really eaten for the day, to be honest. I'm getting ready to go to a social held by the education department, because you guys should know that I'm a teacher. So there's a gala on the other island, and all the teachers and staff and everyone is invited, and this is my first year going. I haven't been to the past 4 or 3 since I became a teacher. I haven't went to any, and I'm going to it today. And this is nerve-wracking for me, because if you guys don't know, I'm a homebody. Not only am I a homebody, I used to have really bad social anxiety, and even though I know how to talk and communicate with people, it takes a lot for me to do that, because I'm also very introverted, you know. So I be battling with myself to come out of my shell. I mean, I can, and when I do make lasting friendships and connections and networks, but I usually just, what's up, you good? I usually keep it very short. But I'm a cool person. I'm just not the most friendliest, and I've accepted that. But I do try to show that I can. But oh, skincare is done. How we looking? Let's move on to the hair real quick. Time check. Oh, we have lots of time. Wait, do we? Yeah. The hair is only gonna take me about what? 7 minutes? 10 minutes the most. So I'm just really wetting my hair, because I would have usually done this when my hair was a lot more on the wet side versus that. Actually, I don't need to. You want to know why? You have to know the chemistry of the product that you use. I'm using a mousse, and mousse is usually made up of water. You want to debate me? Okay, let's see what the first ingredient is. It's, see, aqua water in the VI accent. Boom. Why can't I get a perfect one on camera? Did I tell you guys what mousse is? Give me a second. I think I did in a previous video though. This is the Kenra Volume Mousse Extra Firm Hold. You guys know how I feel about mousse, and from using this, I think I like mousse now when my hair is short. I think that's what it is. But I don't know, this gives me a lot of definition, moisture, hold. I think that's why I like it a lot too. It holds the curls in place. I did mention to you guys that the combo does flake, but I had to learn how to maneuver through it so it wouldn't. For example, last week, that's the routine that I did, and my hair did not flake. So I don't know what I did differently, but I have to figure it out. So that's about it. And then, you know, the OG of the OG, step forward. Boom. We have the Wet Line Extreme. This combo has everybody giving me compliments. I may be liking the mousse and gel move now. If you've been here, you guys know how I feel about mousse. You can check the videos on my channel to see. My hair is getting longer now, so this technique doesn't work as much, y'all. This circular motion, but I still do it. Sooner or later, I think I'm going to get a Denman brush to help with the curls. But I just apply the products and create circular motions all over my head. I don't know, it's just something about this combo. It leaves my hair so juicy, curly, defined, moisturized, and it lasts a whole week. We love it. Next up is makeup. And I don't have to do much because the eyebrows are done. We're gonna talk about it in a minute. Hold on, let me show my hair some love and affection. I can keep doing this until I get every curl to be perfect. We're up close and personal now because we're about to do our makeup. I haven't worn makeup in the last time I took the pictures. Yeah, when was that? I was in February. Dang, March is about to end. Homebody, so. And wearing makeup in the Caribbean heat, when it was cooler, yes. When it starts to get hot, that's why I wish that my skin would just behave, but it's behaving now, so we good. My eyebrows, I got them done. I went to get my nails refilled, and I saw my nails tech eyebrows, and I was like, girl, who did your eyebrows? She was like, Santo Domingo. I'm like, oh. And well, she told me the other girl, the hairdresser in there, she told me that the hairdresser who works there, she does eyebrows. I was like, okay, cool. I asked for pictures of her work. She didn't have any, but I said, let me try it out. It can't be that bad. If it got messed up, I could fix it. So at first when I saw them, I was like, but no, it's growing on me. I like it. So let's see how long this lasts and how often I'm going to be doing it. I love the natural me. We gotta love the natural us, guys, because Come, have a conversation. Don't y'all just get tired of always having to put stuff on? Don't you want to be comfortable in yourself? We love putting the stuff on eventually because we love how it makes us look and feel, but at the same time, you should feel beautiful within yourself. The extra stuff should be a bonus. That's why I'm never gonna come on here and say I'm looking crazy. If I'm looking crazy, it's the hair I'm talking about. Stop saying that you're looking crazy. That girl, that's how you look. That's you. That's your natural self. What? I know that was a tangent. Let's do the face. I usually do this with music and stuff, but since I'm talking to y'all, we gonna just have to do the makeup. I need to explore with trying a different routine soon, you know, because your girl may be on a soon, not saying where, but you'll see. So this is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Primer. All the products that I have right now are drugstore products that I got from my beauty supply store. I haven't been makeup shopping in forever. When I say makeup shopping, I mean like going to Sephora or Ulta, you know, those makeup outlets. But sooner or later, face is primed. Someone did also ask about my makeup routine, so here I am. So I gotta mix these two colors. Let's put them close to my skin. This may be close, but still it's not the exact match. And then this gives me some more. Just know when I mix these together, I get my perfect match. And these are the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. That's the only thing I don't care for about them because I have oily skin. Yeah, my mom is on the phone. And this is a everyday thing, especially when I'm home. And that's why sometimes I just don't want to be home because it's like I can never really get peace and quiet and it's their house. So I get it, but shit, me and my mom are complete opposites when it comes to personalities. And she's always on the phone. You go. All I'm trying to say is sometimes it's so hard for me to film because of always having to make people uncomfortable in their own space. Sometimes they understand, sometimes they don't, and sometimes I cannot be bothered and just don't do anything. And you guys know this already because I've told you guys this before. Sometimes when you guys see me disappear, it's like, girl, I got so much going on right now and I don't have the mental capacity to fight and go the extra mile at the moment, but eventually I will, you know. Sometimes I just need to like take a break, and that comes with living with your parents too. But for my situation, it's a little bit more different because I don't really have much privacy because of the house layout. So even to have conversations, I'm not in the house having certain conversations on the phone because again, I don't want people in my business either. So sometimes it get overbearing and I cannot wait to have my own space. I don't think you guys understand. It's like I see what is going to happen when that happens, and it's like it's so tangible but so out of reach right now at the same time, and that messes with my head. It really messes with my psyche because, and you hear that now? Neighbors are working. So when I start to push out my voiceovers, no excuses because I can't do that, but at the same time I feel like voiceovers, you guys get me and my personality but not as much. Foundation is foundationing. You guys see the mixture? You guys see it now? I just wish that the foundation was matte because as I was telling you guys, I have oily skin, but at the same time with this foundation I get so many compliments because of how glowy it makes my skin. I usually mix my light one off, but you guys can still see because I have the other light on. But for concealer, I like to use the Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer in the color Toffee. Well, Beautiful Bronze first and Toffee. I think I'm out of the Beautiful Bronze. I have this foundation slash highlighter product that so is this Shea Moisture who brought this out? Or Mixed Chicks? I don't know. But anyway, those areas. Press this in. So I'm definitely going to have to get concealers, new foundation. I need to start researching because I'll be traveling pretty soon. And I haven't made a list yet. I'm going to be gone for a little while. So I'm happy about that. I need a break. And I've been taking my breaks seriously. I'm not taking my break in the places that cause me stress. Let's say that I'm leaving, you know, and I think I'm going to have to start doing that a lot more. I'm gonna start having to, even if it's a little getaway or staycation, you guys know I used to love doing the staycation, and you know, at some point you gotta save your money for bigger goals. So that's what's happened. But then at the same time, y'all, my mental health was deteriorating. A getaway would make me feel a lot better. I added the Toffee on top, the concealer. I think I used a little too much, but it'll come together. You'll see. Makeup is like art, especially when you know what you're doing. When you don't, that's a different story. But I've been doing the same thing, and maybe I do need to switch up my routine a little bit, but I like my routine. I like my simplistic type makeup. Next up is a powder by the same brand, LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Press Powder. So this is the matte powder to the foundation. It does, you know, mattify my face a little bit. I use this to soak up the extra oil so that my face can stay matte because of the environment, the heat and the humidity. When you live in a tropical climate, powders tend to work a lot better. And just apply the powder over the outside of my face, mostly on the areas that I didn't apply the concealer. Basically, can I see the base? She has on makeup, does she? Eyeshadow look, I like to have a brown base that is pretty close to my skin tone. And you guys see I'm sweating already. It's starting to get hotter. I'm almost hitting Pando. That's how much of a creature of habit I am. I do like trying new things, guys, but sometimes you just got time to do what you usually do. My mirror is in the corner right here, so sorry for this weird angle. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Oh, don't water. This is the mascara that I was telling you guys that I ordered from Amazon. I like it. Okay, this is obviously hard to do and talk to you guys. We're almost there. I have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the color Nutmeg. I use this powder to set my concealer under my eyes. Chinny chin chin. Makeup is done. How are we looking? I had to stand directly into my ring light because my other light died. Beautiful. That's okay. This is how hot it is, guys. My butter has melted. That is crazy. It was solid this whole time. Now it's melted. Watch and see. Somebody in watch and see. Listen, I've been putting the girls and boys. What you saying? What you saying? This is a really good butter. The scent, the formulation of it. Now time to get dressed, but I'll take a little break and make sure everything is charged. All I have to do is put on my dress. One of my co-workers are picking me up. Don't you love how your makeup looks after it settles in, after it soaks into your skin and it just starts to give skin instead of makeup? You know that feeling? I don't understand what's going on right here, but yes, jewelry. Since someone is coming for me, I don't want them to wait, so I want to be ready, or more so figure out the jewelry that I want to wear. This is cute. Okay. I'm not sure what I want to give. The dress attire is semi-formal. Definitely going to put this on one hand, but I want the other hand to have some candy too. So which ones? I guess I'll have to put the dress on to see. I don't want to get sweaty. Do I have on deodorant? Let me put on my ring. I love a good ring set. All of these are from Amazon, by the way. I am a maximalist when it comes to my rings. I love rings. I'm going to show you guys a better look at the outfit, but I think I'll go with this one. Just a little pearl. This is the dress. Shoes. Looking like a goddess. Make sure I have my camera, lip gloss to retouch, brush, and the powder to refresh. That looks so beautiful. Wow. Wow. If you don't hype yourself up, who will hype you up? Hype me up. Hype me up. Forgot to tell you guys the perfume for today. It's the, I can't remember this name to save my life, but this pretty girl right here. Love her. I already put some on my skin. You know, I have to do that first before I put some on my clothes. My co-worker called me. She's on her way. I need to leave the house, but I can't find my other tripod for my stand. I just had it. But anyway, we gotta leave the house because I don't like people waiting on me. So I'm here. I really should have worn my heels. That's how I feel right now. It would have made me look a little bit more. I'm here. But I'm here. I just found a spot by myself to talk to you guys for a little bit. This is awkward, but it's okay. I want to show you guys my outfit. People are watching me like, girl, what are you doing? Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.